Hi guys, welcome back with another video. In this video I will tell you how to install Python software and Visual Studio Code into your laptop. So let's get started. First of all, to install Python you will go to their website and click on downloads. After clicking on downloads you will find all the operating system: Windows, Linux, Mac OS and others. I will click on Windows because I'm using that. In the next step you will find the latest version on the top. So select the operating system which you are using, 32-bit or 64-bit. I will select 64-bit. After that the download will be started. I have already downloaded this, so I'm skipping this step. Just run the software that you downloaded, check this option and click on install now. The installation process will take up to 2-3 minutes. After that I will show you how to check if the Python software is well installed or not. Simply click on this search menu and type for CMD. Open CMD and type py space dash 3. After when you see these two lines, it means your Python is completely installed. To install Visual Studio Code, you will go to this website code.visualstudio.com. In the front page, you will find the download button. Click on the download button, the download will be created. Just run the software that you downloaded, accept the license, click on next, and then check all these options so that you will not find any error in the future. Similarly, the installation process will take up to 2-3 minutes. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.